Wait a minute. This would be a great place to skip a rock. Dude, it'll never go in. And look at that. Perfect skipping rock right there. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Damn, I gotta do that again! This is awesome! Alright, here we go.
Wow.
Yes!
Oh
yes, you're doing
gosh.
this. Alright. Bombs away. Whoa! I love this. This is awesome. I'm getting way too much joy out of this.